Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division for grade 8. We'll start by understanding the fundamental terms. Division is essentially about splitting a larger number into smaller, equal parts. Think of it like sharing 24 cookies among 4 friends. Each friend gets 6 cookies. The 24 is your dividend, the 4 is your divisor, and the 6 is your quotient. Grasping these basic concepts is the first step to mastering more complex division problems, setting a strong foundation for your mathematical journey. Now let's tackle long division, a crucial skill for grade 8. It's a step-by-step method that breaks down complex problems. You begin by dividing the first few digits of your dividend by the divisor. For instance, if you're dividing 728 by 4, you'd start with 7 divided by 4. Then, you multiply your quotient digit by the divisor, subtract that product, and bring down the next digit. You continue this cycle of divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down until no digits remain, revealing your final quotient. Dividing with decimals can seem tricky, but it follows a clear set of rules. The key is to transform your divisor into a whole number. If you have a divisor like 0.5, move its decimal one place to the right to make it 5. You must then move the decimal in your dividend the exact same number of places. For example, if your dividend was 12.5, it becomes 125. Once the decimals are correctly positioned, place the decimal in your quotient directly above, and then perform long division as usual. Division isn't just for textbooks, it's incredibly useful in everyday life. Imagine you're splitting a restaurant bill of $65 among 5 friends. Division tells you each person owes $13. It's also how we calculate averages, like finding the average score on 5 tests. When you see a price for a pack of 12 items, division helps you figure out the cost of just one. From cooking to managing your money, understanding division empowers you to solve many practical problems efficiently and accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.